Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can make a Pinterest board. So, to begin with, open up the saved section at your app, which will bring you to your Pinterest profile pretty much. Once at your Pinterest profile, make sure to be at the saved section instead of opposed to created. In here, you'll find the plus sign to the right middle part of the screen. Tap on it. This is the icon that is responsible for creating something. Just go for the board option, and from here just create a board. I'll name my board test. You can add some collaborators or people who will also be able to manage and modify the content of this board if you want to, of course. And you can also make this board secret, thus restricting and access to this board and moving it from public to private domain. Then hit that create button, and as you can see, that will be it. The board has been successfully created. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.